Education verification queue are all of the items that need to be verified from an education and training standpoint. To get to this, we're going to go to Education Admin and verify items. You may see a count and a red flashing number next to the queue if something needs to be verified. Licenses and classes will typically be verified. Skills and training have optional require verification or not flags. You can filter those down from the left on the item type menu. You can also filter down by specific users and flags. Flags allow you to designate something can't be approved yet because we need perhaps documentation or you need a follow-up. You can customize those flags and they're there just to help you during the process. Any item that has been submitted, you can click on it to view the additional details, make any changes that you need to, view the documentation. At the bottom, the verification buttons will allow you to notify the user of an approval or a denial. The denials will also have a reason that will be attached with the notification sent to the staff member.